Okay, so we're going to talk about centripetal force. This is going to be a real short one because it's just really just one definition. So here we have a merry-go-round. So if you were on a merry-go-round and you let go, which way would you go? So centripetal force is the inward force of a spinning object that stops it from going in a straight line. So that's the definition. So what would happen if you let go here? Well, if you let go, your object is going to go straight out from where you let go. So you're spinning this object around in a circle. So say you have a ball on a string. You're spinning it around, spinning it around, spinning around. And as you can see here, you let go exactly in the spot here, so that ball traveled perpendicular in a straight line that way. Okay, that's very important that you guys understand that one. So here we have an aerial view, or a view from above on our merry-go-round. Okay, so you can see that the centripetal force is always going to be that inward force. It's always going to be the force pushing in towards the inside of the circle. These outside arrows is the force of inertia. That's the force of the movement. Okay, so centripetal force, and you can see here, this is the pronunciation, centripetal force. Again, it's the inward force of a spinning object. You see a couple more examples here. So this again here is spinning an object. So you might have a ball on a string. The centripetal force is the force going inside the circle. The path of inertia is going straight out. And you can see that as you spin around. So inertia means if you let go at any point in time, the ball is going to go straight out. And then the second example down below is the Earth rotating around the sun. So centripetal force is what's holding that planet in its orbit, and that's for all the planets. And then inertia, if that planet became out of orbit, then it would go straight. So if gravity no longer existed, basically. So another example of centripetal force is a roller coaster. So centripetal force is what keeps us sitting in our seat. Okay, so the centripetal force is pushing in towards the circle, and inertia is that force. Inertia is what actually keeps us in our seat, and centripetal force is down towards the middle of the circle. Okay. Okay, centripetal force is what keeps satellites in their orbit. Okay, and this is how it happens. So they're going to repeat firing of rocket boosters, the gravitational pull of the Earth, the narrow path through the vacuum of space, and they also have solar panels generating energy to hold them in place. Okay, and so that's it. And I did get some of this information borrowed from these guys.